Hello! Today we're diving into the beauty of gardens by the bay in Singapore. Let's get started. Now, as we step out from the MRT station, we're greeted by a stunning evening. The sun is setting, casting a warm glow over the surroundings. Let's soak in the beauty of this magical moment. And if you look in the distance, you can catch a glimpse of the iconic Marina Bay Sands Hotel towering over the landscape. It's a sight to behold against the backdrop of the fading sunlight. As we continue our journey, we need to cross the road to reach the entrance of the garden. Look up and you'll spot the bold and imposing letters spelling out Gardens by the Bay right above the road crossing. It's a clear sign that we're about to enter a place of wonder. Let's head that way. We're just a few steps away from stepping into the garden, and the anticipation is building. The excitement is palpable as we look forward to exploring this enchanting place on this beautiful evening. Let's savor the thrill of what awaits us inside. Here, take a look at these towering man-made trees. They stand as icons of this park, and you can see people finding shade and relaxation beneath their expansive branches. These trees are the pride of the garden, adding to the unique charm and atmosphere of this place. It's truly a sight to behold. Listen closely, and you might catch the lively sounds around us. There's a joyful hum in the air, and if you strain your ears, you might even pick up on someone singing in the background. Now, look at this lovely little lake. Around it, there are birds catching fish. It's a beautiful sight with nature all around the lake. Hey, check this out. There's someone snoozing in the fish tank. Shh, let's keep it quiet so we don't disturb their peaceful nap. The underwater world has its own unique charm, and we wouldn't want to wake our sleepy friend. Over here is a pond, and our froggy pals are making some noise. It seems like they're not too keen on having company, so we might want to make our way out of this area rather swiftly. It appears the frogs prefer a bit of solitude. In this part of the area, we're on the lookout for otters, but it seems like they might be out searching for food. No otter sightings for now, but who knows? We might catch a glimpse of them later on. Nature has its own schedule. Now we've reached the border of the garden, and there's an indoor section with flowers and butterflies. It seems more geared towards kids, but for now, we're not putting too much focus on that area. Let's continue exploring the other parts of the garden. Look. There are animal statues, and folks like taking pictures with them. It's a cool spot for some fun snapshots. Look again, and you can spot the Marina Bay Sands Hotel from this side too. It gives the impression of a ship soaring through the sky. Quite a sight, isn't it? Now, let's keep moving forward to explore more. There's always something new and interesting to discover. Here's another watery area, almost like a river encircling the park. It adds a natural touch and cools down the atmosphere, making the park even more pleasant. It's incredibly beautiful. This part feels like an island with a dense rainforest vibe. The lush greenery and surroundings give off a tropical rainforest feel. Nature at its finest. A bunch of people are taking it easy and enjoying this area. It's starting to get a bit crowded as more folks join in to soak up the atmosphere. Looks like a popular spot. Hey, check it out. Those flights are putting on quite a show with a lot of pride. They're probably practicing for a celebration, perhaps their national day. It's a beautiful display, and hopefully we'll get to see more soon. Fingers crossed for an even more spectacular show. Today is our lucky day. We get to witness this amazing sky show. What a view, wow! Wow, that show was fantastic. It really added value to our evening. Now we're moving into another section of the garden after crossing the river. Let's see what more wonders await us. Here, check out this man-made creation of a baby. It's an iconic feature in the garden. The statue is balanced on one point connected to the earth. Pretty cool, right? Look again. Those aren't just big birds. They're flights. It seems like a mom with a few little cubs. Quite a sight, isn't it? It's a bit puzzling, isn't it? Those flights are zipping through the sky at super speed, leaving us a bit confused. Wow, it almost seems like the last one might have headed to the moon. Quite the spectacle. This area is bustling with activity. There are lots of people getting ready for some kind of celebration on the ground. Exciting times ahead. As the sun sets, we've got just a few minutes before it gets dark. People are out here with their children and pets, enjoying some playtime. It's heartwarming to see all those happy faces. Here's a big and completely white, adorable dog. Not a big lion, haha. A beautiful pup that surely makes its owner proud. Hey, buddy, you're an amazing dog, absolutely beautiful. If you're in the Marina Bay area in Singapore, you can't miss the view of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. It's a remarkable man-made creation, truly a sight to behold. Now, our next mission is to find a food center. We need to grab some food before heading to the light show. Let's hunt for a spot to satisfy those hunger pangs. Hey, we made it to the food center. Time to explore and find some delicious bites before we head to the light show. What are you in the mood for? And now, we've arrived at the highlight of the day, the light show at Gardens by the Bay. Take in the breathtaking beauty of the show. As it comes to an end, remember to like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the light show, and bye-bye for now.